The power of our creative imagination shows various benefits of our meditation, such as creative imagination in meditation establishes inner peace and happiness in mind. Consecutively, creative imagination refreshes our soul and body. Stronger the imagination, stronger the benefits. Creative imagination goes hand in hand. Even professional athletes do creative imagination before stepping into the real game because the power of imagination helps them to focus on the game. And if I include my personal reviews, creative imagination also improves self-confidence and provides energy to win and never give up. You all might be thinking now how to perform creative imagination meditation. It is really simple. Just imagine something you want so badly. Imagine you taking the lead, imagine you winning the competition, or simply just think about having a spa. Refreshes the mood, right? In this blog, I have focused on the power of creative imagination in respective of various life goals. Let's get started. Life goals and creative imagination. Meditation is not new to us, but performing meditation in a different way is really trending nowadays. One of the trending subjects is creative imagination meditation and benefits. Meditation is already proved to be effective in achieving life goals. When it comes to creative imagination and achieving life goals, creative imagination improves the quality of sleep, improves mental health, provides peace, eliminates depressive symptoms, and most importantly refreshed our mood. Various athletes, speakers, and debaters agreed that creative imagination helps them to focus on the work and provides them victory. Additionally, creative imagination meditation helps them to eliminate negativity. Self-confidence and creative imagination. Guided imagination meditation is one of the best imaginations ever tried because such meditation boosts self-confidence. As an outcome, it provides peace and calmness to the mind through breathing. When you feel good, imagine good, and showcase your creative side, it improves your self-confidence and helps you to achieve life goals. How to perform creative imagination. Duration: 3 minutes. You can perform creative imagination meditation anywhere and anytime you want. Whenever you feel low esteem or someone messes up with your mind, perform creative imagination meditation. The minimum duration for creative imagination meditation is 3 minutes, but you can stretch the meditation up to 20 minutes, depends on your time limit. Or else, you can also divide the duration of the meditation. For example, 3 minutes of meditation 3 times a day can be really effective. In this way, you can set your duration and times according to your preferences. For better explanation and understanding, I have divided the creative imagination meditation into 3 stages. Stage 1, focus. During the first stage, get a piece of paper and a pen. Now, write all the thoughts, feelings, and images which strike into your mind. The purpose of this activity is to get out all the creativity from your mind. Focus on what comes to your mind. Note, while doing this activity, I suggest you bring on the positive thoughts, feelings, and images. Stage 2, concentrate. After bringing out the creative side of yours, it is time to create all the images and thoughts in your mind now. Hold on to the best memories and draw powerful images that bring positivity. For example, when I was young, I went to a hill station wherein nature was tremendous, birds were chirping, and water was falling from the mountain. How serene and calm it was. Imagine something like this, which brings on the positivity. Stage 3, relax. After focusing and concentrating on your creative imagination, the third stage is to relax. Relax your mind and body as much as possible, build a strong and clear image on your mind. Close your eyes completely and focus on your breathing. Breathe slowly and focus on your serene view. Enjoy for 3 minutes max. I hope you like this blog video. Comment down and let us know how effective creative imagination meditation is for you. For more such content. Thanks for watching. Step into a world of self-discovery and spiritual enlightenment as you enter our channel, Soulful Explorations. Here we embark on a journey towards personal growth, finding peace and purpose in life. Get ready to awaken your mind and uplift your spirit as we delve into the mysteries of mindfulness, manifestation, and everything that encompasses the journey of self-improvement. So, put on your spiritual hat and join us on a journey of inspiration, empowerment, and growth. Subscribe now and let's make this journey together.